Ever downloaded a Gemini image, then realized you still need to remove the watermark manually? Yeah, that takes time. But now, not anymore. The new major update for Gemini Image Toolkit is finally here, and this update makes everything faster, easier, and way more simple. Now in the new Gemini Image Toolkit, you can download Gemini images without watermark. No manual removal needed anymore. Just generate your image and download it instantly. The extension automatically removes the watermark for you while downloading. No extra editing, no extra steps. Just generate and download. And that's not all. Now you can crop images using presets. Simply select the preset you want, choose your image size, and start downloading. Super quick and easy. You can also download images in different formats like PNG, JPG, and WEBP depending on what you need. Now let's talk about one of the biggest new features, auto-generate bulk images. Simply upload or copy-paste your prompt list, and the extension will automatically generate images for each prompt. No need to enter prompts one by one. Just paste your list, start generation, and let it work automatically. And yes, this also supports reference image mode. So if you want more consistent results, style matching, or image variations based on a reference image, you can do that too. Faster workflow, better control, and perfect for bulk creation. Now let's move to the bulk downloader. In bulk downloader, you can select multiple images and download everything automatically. In the previous version, bulk downloads sometimes had lower quality. But in this new update, images are downloaded in full highest quality. Better quality, fewer clicks, simple workflow. And here's something really useful. Now you can download all images directly from your Gemini chat. Just open your chat, launch the extension, and it automatically detects all images in that conversation. Then simply download everything in high quality, automatically without watermark. Simple, right? And if you think, I already downloaded images without Gemini Image Toolkit, don't worry. Just switch to the Watermark Remover tab, upload your old images, and remove the watermark instantly. This update is built to make downloading Gemini images faster, cleaner, and easier than ever with Gemini Image Toolkit. More features are coming soon, so stay tuned.